Hey, how's it going? I got another impromptu ride. I'm driving up to Prescott right now, and there's like crazy traffic because of brush fires. Traffic just coming to a stop for miles. Nothing more than people just looking, I guess. Anyways, driving up to Prescott for a nice Sunday ride. There's a lady up there who's gonna sell me a 1974 vintage military water container. And if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for vintage military gear, especially if it goes on my Jeep. From there, we'll see. I might go do Senator Highway, or I might do 89, go through Jerome and stuff like that. We'll see. I don't know. It depends on like how fast I get through this traffic. I'll let you know. All of this traffic is going on right here, goes for miles. So here's the can that I got. It's pretty dope. I like it. 1974 vintage water can. A little bit bent, but that's okay. I got it for a good price. Open it up. Nice. Fits perfectly on my rig. I like it. Alright, so my impromptu rides. So I decided after I got that gas can to go ahead and take this route I've never seen before. Looks pretty safe. Another solo ride. It's called like Thumb Butte something or other off Copper Basin. Pretty easy route so far, like Senator Highway. My goal is to do this little loop and then hop on the 89, head home. But right now the weather is beautiful, about 85, nice overcast, beautiful trees with the pines and the oaks. I'm gonna have a great time. I'm gonna enjoy myself. Alright, well, kind of off the beaten path. I don't really know where I'm going. I got my map. But right up here is gonna go to a cabin. The road gets a little bit rough. I'm gonna have a good time. Here we go.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Ooh.
Oh, check this out. Pretty cool, man. Squirrel just scared the shit out of me. Ah. Hey, little guy. Oh, man. There we go. Oh, and a frog. Huh. Well, so far, this has been worth it. I'm probably gonna get home after dark. Gotta wake up early at 3:30. That's okay. It's worth it. Coming up here, looks like it's a miner's cabin, so this must have been a mine of some type. And we're gonna go up to the living quarters here. Ah, so great. All right. I guess people like to shoot up history, whatever the heck that's about. A lot of beers and a few brain cells, I imagine. Man, I don't think this was a sleeping quarters. They look like more of a worker's shed.